Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find most of the games on the Google Play Store using WIKO U Pulse. And to do this, first we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Here, if we try to find games like Call of Duty, it's right here, but if you click on it, nothing happens. To fix this issue, we'll need to go back, click on your profile picture, head on to the settings, enter family, and then parental controls. Now you can either disable parental controls entirely or enter apps and games, insert the PIN code, and here increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save those settings afterwards, and if you go back to look for the games again, they should be available right here and we can install them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.